Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars has recently broken out a broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see that previously it was moving inside this down channel. Let me just show you the previous down channel. If I remove all these trend lines, then it will be more visible to you. This was a down channel. And while moving inside this channel, we found the support and resistance of another broadening rising wedge pattern. And this was the broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see that the price then was moving inside this wedge and it was forming higher highs and higher lows. And now finally we have broken out the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And after the breakout recently, we have also broken out this resistance on that starts from point 0000 and 00 6 times 0 2205 and goes to 2500. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously breaking as a very strong and long-term support zone here, resistance here, and now on the 7 days time frame chart, we are still breaking it out. But on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have clearly broken out this resistance zone, and now this resistance zone can work as a strong and long-term support zone for the price line of Dogelon Mars. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very huge and massive breakout. You can see that the price has also broken out this long-term uptrend line resistance as well that was previously working as support, and now it can again work as support after this breakout. And we will also take a look at the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for fourth, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 3rd of October 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let's start analysis and move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And this is the weekly. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, the price has been moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, we also found another uptrend line resistance and this uptrend line support of a broadening rising wedge pattern as well. You can see that whenever the price was getting rejected by the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it was forming higher highs and higher lows. And now finally we have broken out the broadening rising wedge pattern, and imminently the price has also broken out this very long-term uptrend line resistance as well that was previously working as support, and also recently broken out this resistance on that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. That can now work as a long-term support zone for the price line, because previously it was working as a resistance and now it can be flipped into a support zone. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support and resistance zone, then you can see that for several weeks it has been working as support zone here and resistance zone here as well. And this uptrend line was previously working as a very, very strong uptrend line support here, here, and here as well. Therefore, now we have so many supports. We have this uptrend line support and this support zone as well. By the way, the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 4200, and the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge at point 0000 and 05 times 0 $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.